Hi there, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you very quickly how to create a product bundle on your Bumpa website through the Bumpa web app. So for product bundles, you can basically add multiple products and have one price for all of them. So this is great if you're doing like a discount or you have specific products that you want to sell together. You can use the product bundle feature on the Bumpa web app to create a product bundle for your website. So without further ado, let's get into it. To create a product bundle, navigate to products, and here in this menu options, select bundles. Then click on add new bundle. Remember, you can add a regular product without variations and products with variations. All of these videos and tutorials have been created for you. So just look through the videos available if you want to do any of these. Now with product bundle, the first thing to do is to add the bundle name. So for example, we're going to call this Mega Bonanza. Next is to select the store location, which you can do here by simply choosing any of these. You can select multiple stores or one single store. Then the next thing to do is to select the products that will be in this bundle. Now it says here you can add up to 20 individual products to create one bundle. So once you click on select products, all the products that you have available in your inventory would come up. And you can also add a new product right here by clicking on this button. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to work with products that are already in our inventory. So you can select the products and you can also select specific products in a product variation. So for example, if you have shirts and you have multiple colors, but you don't want to add all the colors to your bundle, you can deselect the ones that you don't want. But for the purpose of this video, again, I'm just going to select everything. Next, I will add this. So like I said, you can add up to 20 individual products in your bundle. So once you're done selecting all your products, you just click on continue. Now the next thing to do is to select the quantity of each product that you want in the bundle. So for example, maybe I want 2 shirts in this bundle and I want 1 hand cream and I also want 2 jeans. So you can add the number you want. Basically in this bundle, there are going to be 5 products, but we're going to have 2 shirts, 1 hand cream and then two trousers. And then 2 trousers. So once you're done here, you click on continue. And then the next thing is to add the image. So once you click here, you can select an image for your bundle. Let's just use this one here. Upload image. Now remember, you can add multiple images as usual. So I'm just going to add another image here. Let's add this one. And then we're good to go. Now you can add your long description and your short description. It says here that it's optional, but for SEO purposes, it's always advised that you add your content here, your SEO optimized content for your short description and your long description to help your products rank better. Next thing is to select the collection that it falls under, but if it doesn't fall under any collection, you can just ignore that. And then the next thing is the bundle pricing. So now this is the price that your customers will see for this bundle. Now the first thing is to add your normal price. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to copy this total price here and add it here, and also the cost price. And finally, if you're discounting this bundle, then you can add the discounted price here. So for example, let's say the selling price is 788k, but I want to discount it to 700k. You can add that here. Then the next thing is your bundle inventory. So it says you cannot set a stock quantity higher than the lowest available inventory among all your selected products. What that means is that for all the products you have selected here, your bundle inventory should not be lower than the smallest amount of products that you have. So I'll give you an example. Here we have 19 in stock, and here we have 60 in stock. So I cannot create 61 bundles. So let's try it and you'll see what happens. Exactly. So I can only create 19 bundles because one of the products only has 19 items in stock. So let's just say I want to create 10 bundles. Now this will work perfectly well. And once you're done filling out all of that information, you just click on add product and your bundle has been created.